welcome back. In this class, we are going to see tuple operations, copying and deleting a tuple, inputting a tuple. In tuple operations, we will see joining, replicating, relational operators on tuples, membership operators, and then slicing. We will learn all these directly from IDLE. Let us open. Let us have a tuple called books. Let me have library. I give lib is equal to. Now coming to addition operator, books plus lib. See there, this will add all the elements together and then display a new tuple. There will not be any change in books or library. However, a tuple cannot be changed as it is immutable. So it returns a new tuple having all the elements of both the tuples. Now books into 2. This will be replicating all the elements 2 times. Even it may also be 2 into books or 2 into lib. It replicates 2 times. But we cannot have books into lib. This will give you error. Let me create a tuple called et 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So similar way ot I have here 1, 3, 5, 7. Now if I give et is greater than ot, see the first element it is going to check, et is greater, right? So it will give true. In case now et 1 I create with using 0 there, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then if I give et 1 is greater than ot, it is going to be false as et is having lesser value than ot. Similar way, it can also compare the string members, but it cannot compare string and values. Let us check. Let me have st is equal to, I simply give here Python and then here Java. Okay. Now let me check et is greater than st, it will give you error. This is similar like list. So if you want to learn elaborately, please visit my old video which is list operations and then come back so that you can learn this quickly. Now membership operator in will check whether the element is there in the tuple. If it is there, then it returns true, otherwise it will be returning false. For example, 6 in et I give, so it is there, so it will give true. Similar way, 10 in ot is not there, it will be giving you false. Now next coming to slicing, slicing is very much similar to string or list. Again you can go and watch from there to know elaborately, otherwise just simply I will give 1 or 2 examples here. We will be having 3 arguments here with the slicing. Slicing is always given in the square bracket beside the name of the tuple. I have here et, in the square bracket I give 2 is to we use 2 is to 4, step is not there, so we will have 6 and 8 there. Similar way ot in the square bracket I give is to 3, so 0, 1, 2, it means 1, 3, 5 will be there. Copying and deleting a tuple. Let me create books is equal to, when I want to make a copy of this, I can give a new name called B1 is equal to books. So this tuple is copied also to B1. If I check B1, it is same. If we compare the list, when we change the element of B1, then the elements of books also shows the same. It means ID of both the names are same. But here, being tuple is immutable, we won't be able to change the elements. But however, the IDs are same. Let me check ID of B1 and then ID of books. Both are same. If we don't need any one of this, we can also delete it. So to delete, we use del space the name of the tuple. So B1 I give, B1 is gone there, now it will not be there, but now books will be available. Inputting a tuple. In the previous classes, we have already discussed about eval function. We can also use the eval function to input the tuple. For example, if I need to input a tuple, I give tup is equal to, I write eval of input of, I give a message to the user saying input a tuple. So now the user will be able to give the input and then this stores in tup. Now let us print and check tup. It will be returning the same tuple. So just execute this. I am giving a tuple here 1, 2, 3. So it has returned the same thing. We can also input without having a tuple symbol. Automatically it will take this as tuple. The right way to take input from the user for a tuple is using a loop accepting all the elements. So we cannot add the elements to tuple directly. So we will create a list and then the list will be converted to a tuple. So let me have list is equal to empty and then for I in range. So this is number of elements we need from the user. It can be a user input as n, otherwise we can give here a particular number. I give 4 here, right? So now I will be taking the element from the user. ELE is equal to maybe int or a string. I take integer. Once the loop is done, then we will be changing the data type. That means tup is equal to tuple of L. So L get converted to tuple. Now just we will print the tuple which is given there, tup. Let us execute this. So 4 inputs it will take. I give 5, 10, 20, 100. So you could see the tuple. Hope this is very clear to you. Let us meet in next class. Thank you.